Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I am so excited to unbox with you the Meryl Tarot. Try saying that 5 times fast. So Divination with Hollywood's High Priestess. This is brought to you by Chantel de Sousa, the same artist that brought you the Golden Girls Tarot, as well as the Friends Tarot, which I am a huge fan of both of these decks, so I'm excited to get into this one. I will link those decks up in the eye, and I will also link where you can purchase this legitimately down in the description box below. And while you're there, you can take a look at my link tree, which will give you all of my links to social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, let's get into this. This is published by Streetsmith Gift, and it retails for $24.99 in the US, or $95, excuse me, and $33.50 in Canada. So the back says, starring Meryl Streep as Fate's leading lady. Do you have existential questions about your personal universe? Are you waiting for your Oscar prospects to blossom? Have you seen every single Meryl Streep film? Manifest your destiny with Hollywood's greatest actor through this future award-winning unofficial tarot deck. I am so excited. All right, so it opens up with a flap here, and I'm going to go ahead and get that cellophane or plastic wrap off real fast. All right, there is no guidebook just like the other two decks. However, there is this info here. This Meryl Streep-centric deck is based on the Rider-Waite design, originally published in 1910. Like any form of tarot, these cards are not a simple roadmap of the future. Instead, they can probe your subconscious and reveal truths you may or may not already know. So then we have the steps to reading. So we have shuffle, spread, read, and reflect. So this is one of those decks that if you have a favorite tarot reference book, that will come in handy if you need that to help you read the deck. All right, here we go. There's the back. Oh, it's kind of faint, but they are like crystal. I don't know what those are. Oops, I don't know. All right, let's get into it. Oh, I love that it gives you the character and the movie. Oh, that's so awesome. I love her art style so much. Okay, the cardstock is a little bit on the thinner side. It feels just like the other cardstock on the other decks as well. There's like a slight gloss to it. It's not extra glossy, but it's there. Oh my goodness, how fun. I loved her character in that movie. I'm not a huge Meryl Streep like fan to where I'm going to recognize all of these characters, but I highly respect her. Oh my goodness. I like that. Oh, you can even see the bridge in the background. Classic. I really like that they added the characters up top. Yes. Oh, I love this for the Chariot. And she just looked fabulous in this film. I loved everything about her character looks. The hair, everything. I don't remember if I saw, oh, you know what? I saw The Giver for like the first 25 minutes and then I bounced. I was like, oh, I'll see. So I'll watch the rest of it later, and never came back to it. So I feel bad about that. Oh, I loved this movie. It was so great to see her as Julia Child. And I really like that for this card. I feel like if you are a Meryl fan, then this just will make a lot more sense with the character choices if you are a beginner. I don't hate this. Like I said, I don't know every Meryl movie, but the images still work. I feel like you'll just find deeper meaning if you know the character. Oh my gosh. That's what that is on the back of the card. Okay. I was like, I don't know what that's supposed to be. It's the vial from that. Okay. I got it now. I figured it out. Oh, and of course we have Mamma Mia. Fantastic movie. Gets me crying all the time. Oh, cute. Oh, interesting. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, stop. There we go. Cute. I mean, like I said, the images all work for me, even though I've not seen particular movies. The poodle. So Meryl fans out there that are watching, leave me a comment what your favorite character that she played or favorite card. What do you love the most about this deck down in the comments? Like, let me know your favorite Meryl character and if you feel like this deck represents her. I mean, I knew she was in a lot of movies, but I didn't know she was in this many. That's amazing. Oh, that's a great movie too. Cute. I love the confetti. Oh, I forgot she was in this movie. Oh my gosh, Ricky and the Flash. Oh. That was a fun part for her to play. Different than what she's played before, I guess. If I remember correctly, she said she didn't ever want to play a witch. Like, and like, you know, when those old witches, I think there was a article or a story about that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, I really liked It's Complicated. Like, she didn't want to play a witch because of the stigma that surrounds it. And that, like, just because she was aging, she didn't want to get the role because she was aging. Like, that stereotypical thing, you know? Which, gotta hand it to her for that. I really like this bright yellow, too. Cheery and fun. Color of a Oscar. Oh, I remember this now. I like this one a lot. Oh, yeah. Very fitting, that one. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yes. Nope. There we go. Yeah, I believe it's the same cardstock as the other decks, but it shuffles just fine. I don't have an issue with the cardstock at all. I feel like it does what it's supposed to do. I am not really a cardstock basher, but if it's like paper thin, then I'm like, ugh, that's gonna just be destroyed in a couple times I work with it because I chaos shuffle a lot. So there's no guidebook to read off of or anything like that. But what I will say with any deck that you get, regardless of it, whether it comes with a guidebook or not, it's always beneficial to keep a tarot resource close by, especially if you are a beginner. That way, if you're having a hard time with the art that's depicted in the card, you can flip toward your guidebook or resource and help you kind of pick up what you need to pick up with the card. But with the way that this is all set with the images, I feel like it's really well done as far as the intuitive hits. And like I said, I don't really know of, most of these films. I'm not sure about the characters or the plot lines or anything like that, but I guarantee you that if you do know, and if you are a huge Meryl fan, you're going to pick up even more on the intuitive hits in the imagery because of the character represented in that card. So, I mean, I hate when decks don't come with a guidebook, but I understand why it doesn't. However, that is a little disappointing, right? But that being said, I think this is a fun pop culture deck, just like all of her other decks, Chantel's decks. I can't say enough about how much I really like the artwork style. I think it's fun. I think it's dynamic, but it's also not terrible and intrusive on your eyesight. It's not going to be so vibrant that you can't focus. And you do get those intuitive hits. So, and I'm also very appreciative of the title of the film and the character that she plays. That is awesome. So if you want to look into that card more, you can go and look at that movie or dive a little bit deeper with the character there. So that's awesome. That's exciting. So now I'm going to ask you what you think about this deck. Is it something that you are excited about? Do you already own it? What do you think? I mean, I guess if you like Meryl Streep, it's a decent deck, but like if you are a Meryl fan, you're going to probably love this. So I would love to know what you think down in the comment section, as always. And now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!